Property of catenation is not exhibited as strongly as carbon by other elements. Somehow silicon Si also exhibit this catenation property, but up to only 7 or 8 atoms only. Okay, but these compounds are very reactive. This means the compounds that is formed by silicons are reactive. The carbon bond is very strong and hence stable. Okay, carbon and carbon bonds are very strong and hence stable. So this gives rise to a large number of compounds with many carbon atoms linked to each other. So okay, now just I will show you how the carbon and carbon are linked together. Okay, in 3 different pages I am showing you now. Now watch it how this carbon and carbon are linked together in a state chain. This is the state chain one, this one, number one, and this is the branch chain, this one, branching, having the branches here. They may have some more branches, and this is the rings in the form of ring. This one, this is in the form of ring. Okay, and the numbers cannot be it's not constant. It is now. It can have many long chains. Okay, so they can have very long chains also and many branch chains also. So the number of carbon atoms is not limited. It is not limited. So okay, so this is the way on the slide. This is so. Okay, the bond that carbon forms with most other elements are very strong, making these compounds exceptionally stable. Exceptionally stable, it means it is so strong that it cannot be broken easily. So, one reason for the formation of strong bonds by carbon is its small size. This is the reason. So once again I am repeating here, one reason for the formation of a strong bond by carbon is its small size. Okay, this enables the nucleus to hold on to the shared pair of electrons strongly. The bond formed by elements having large atoms are much weaker. Okay, the bond formed by elements having large atoms are much weaker. Okay, but the bond formed by carbon with other atoms of the elements are very strong here now, because this carbon bonds are very strong, but the carbon and carbon and atoms of other elements bond, so these are not so strong this here now. So it's saying that the bonds formed by elements having large atom are much weaker. So okay, so this is all about carbon. So this is the versatile nature of carbon. Why the carbon has 3 million compounds? Because of the property of catenation. So this is a short video just to make you understand about the versatile nature of this carbon. And one thing here now, just let me tell you now, the 2 characteristic features seen in carbon, that is tetravalency. It has 4 electrons in the outermost shell, and this catenation put together give rise to a large number of compounds. Okay, tetravalency and the catenation, these 2 property together makes a large number of carbon compounds. So and many have the same non-carbon atom or group of atom attached to different carbon chains. These compounds were initially extracted from natural substances, and it was thought that these carbon compounds or organic compounds could only be found within the living system. So that is okay, it was postulated that a vital force was necessary for this synthesis. So it is French Euler, okay, this is a Friedrich Euler, okay, disproved this in 1828 by preparing urea from ammonia cyanate. Yes, so so the first okay compound of carbon so that was synthesized in laboratory was urea, and it was synthesized from ammonium cyanate. So but carbon compounds except for oxides of carbon, carbonates and hydrogen carbonates salts continue to be studied under organic chemistry. So organic chemistry is completely okay, it is completely a chemistry of carbon compounds only it is now. So leaving this carbon carbonates, hydrogen carbonates, and this carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. So these compounds of carbon are studied in this inorganic chemistry, but all other compounds of carbon, so they are studied in organic chemistry, and that is a separate branch of chemistry, okay, organic chemistry, so that contains only those compounds which are formed by carbon. It's okay. So one more thing here, so the first compound so that was synthesized in the laboratory of this organic compound was the urea. It's okay, and this urea is mostly used as fertilizer in by farmers in their fields. Okay. Okay, thank you.